This is a presentation from Lotus Freelance Graphics. It was a PowerPoint competitor. It is very hard to open today. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to convert it. Here's a professional insight. For those PRZ files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. Within its metadata, the PRZ carries the flag for the presentation file classification. The source technology relies on the Freelance Graphics Template format type. The PRZ file extension is associated with presentation files created by Freelance Graphics, a presentation program originally developed by Lotus Software. These files contain slides, text, images, charts, and other elements used to create visual presentations. Lotus Freelance Graphics was a popular alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint in the early days of desktop presentation software. PRZ files store presentation data in a proprietary binary format specific to Lotus Freelance Graphics. The file structure includes information about slide layouts, object properties, text formatting, and embedded media. Opening and editing. PRZ files typically requires Lotus Freelance Graphics or a compatible presentation software capable of interpreting the file format. It is standard practice to open the PRZ format using the designated Freelance Mobile Screen Show Player by IBM. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows offers only basic previews, so detailed slide changes depend on a compatible presentation tool. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the PRZ file and choose Open With. Prioritize Freelance Mobile Screen Show Player if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. When a PRZ file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. General troubleshooting won't work on this PRZ file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, use Lotus Freelance Graphics. Open the presentation using Lotus Freelance Graphics, the original application designed for this binary format. Next, use Lotus Smart Suite. Use the broader Lotus Smart Suite package to open and manage legacy PRZ presentation files. Finally, export to PowerPoint. Within Freelance Graphics, export the project to a PPT or PPS format to view it in modern presentation software. When all locally installed programs are exhausted, specialized third-party software is now the required final intervention. This definitive fix gives you the best chance of opening your PRZ file. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the PRZ problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. I hope you learned something new about this file format. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.